Alright, so this is going to be my last guide, and this is just a helpful guide that I thought could be really useful, especially for demonstration and also for testing. Like I said, it's kind of annoying to test, like if someone wants you to mess with like servos, like the builders want you to have a servo code and servos moving, and you just can't connect your computer and do that constantly, and you want them to have it on their own. This is kind of a good compromise. And so basically what this does is that this kind of lets you have like the couple buttons on the NXT and click them and have the robot and parts that you say move. And so I use this for our servos and for our light. This code would increment the servos up and down, and it could also increment the servo hand up and down, the arm up and down, and the light on and off. And it's kind of hard to do this with just the 3 buttons to have, so it would be much easier if I just had a controller. But I managed to kind of do this with just 3 buttons, and I kind of have this. I was programming this with will, and so I just had an integer of will. And basically what happens is when will is 0, when you click the 1 button, which I think is the left arrow, when you click the 1 button, which is the left arrow, it will run the servo hand up, the arm up. And then when you click the right button, it will run the arm down because will is 0. But when you click the orange button, which is 3, it will then make will 1. And therefore when I click the left arrow, it will make the hand go up, and the right arrow, it will make the hand down. And then if I want to have the light on and off, I click the button again, and if will's 1, then it'll make will 2. And then since will's 2, it will make, since will is 2, then it will make the light go on and off. So hopefully this makes sense. I just increment, it will just go over and over again, so I'll show you kind of how it works. So I click start, and if I click the left arrow, the arm goes down, right arm up. When I click the orange button, a hand goes down, hand goes up. Orange button again, light on, light off, orange button again, and you can just restart it. So this kind of lets you theoretically do as many things as they want, and you can just test it. And this is good for judging when you don't want to have your computer and servos and all that stuff. You can just turn on that NXT brink and have this little code right here. And I think this is just super useful. Yeah, I'll link this, and be free to modify and use anything that you want with it. Thanks for watching.